In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access the professional dashboard on Facebook. To begin, make sure you are already logged into facebook.com. From the Facebook home screen, go to the left side navigation menu and open your Facebook business page. This will take you to the main view of your page, where you can manage content, settings, and performance tools. Once your business page has fully loaded, look again at the left navigation menu on the page itself. Facebook places most page management tools in this area, so this is where you will find the option you need. Scroll through the menu if necessary, and locate Professional Dashboard. When you see Professional Dashboard, click on it to open the dashboard for your page. After it opens, you will be taken to an overview screen that shows important information about your page's recent performance and activity. This area is designed to help you monitor how your page is doing and to give you quick access to professional tools. On the Professional Dashboard, take a moment to review the overview section. You may see metrics related to reach, engagement, content performance, and other activity tied to your page. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your page type, region, and account eligibility, but the dashboard will generally provide a central place to manage your professional presence on Facebook. From there, use the navigation menu inside the dashboard to explore the available sections. Depending on your page and eligibility, you may see tools such as Insights, where you can review audience and performance data, Content, where you can manage your posts and media, Monetization, if your page qualifies for earning features, and Achievements, along with other professional tools that Meta makes available for your page. If you do not see Professional Dashboard in the left navigation menu, it is important to know that this feature is only available for eligible Facebook pages. Meta enables it automatically for supported pages, and there is currently no manual setting that allows you to turn it on yourself. In that case, the only option is to continue using the available page tools and wait for Meta to make the feature available to your page if it becomes eligible. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.